sound? This is from Canada Live right now. Doing some. The tree is moving higher and getting cleaned up. And this is Mother Nature. That God made this. And that God created the earth. You understand? It's not that easy kind of cover. About the tree. You know, see the top you can catch it. This is, see that tree how it moves? You see that tree being cleaned up, taking a nice bath and shower, and really what we said, God give us the most great, you good, and will accept from you everything you could do under your power. We respect that, and we make sure the trees and everything got blessed. You know why? The government doesn't give that much tree to the water. Only the God, Mother Nature, will give that much water to the tree. See how that powerful it is? That's not easy though. That's reality. That's not easy. I'm showing you this is life right now on this city of Canada, and I'm trying to be emotional, everything about what we have for today. And this is the rain. I hope everybody else, their houses and their basements, be safe and be okay. I hope it doesn't get that much rain. But this is still like, you know, control to a God. Nobody can do anything. See, you hear the sound? You hear the sound? You hear that?